What's good? How are you guys doing? So in today's video, I'm going to give you the 3 top ways that I generate my leads, my favorite 3 sources of lead generation these days. So if you want to know the top 3, then keep watching this video. Now, before we get started, get comfortable, get you, a little cup of tea, coffee, whatever it is. Don't get coffee if it's like at night, because I don't want you up all night. You know what I'm saying? You need your rest. But anyways, get you a cup of water, tea, whatever, and yeah, sit down and watch this video. And if you like this video, you like hanging out with your girl, you like seeing me and all this stuff, then you know what you should do. You should like this video, get more agents to find me. Commenting is very important because, it let YouTube know that you vibing with the video. It let me know that you're vibing with the video as well. And of course, liking the video as well. So like the video now, because you know you're gonna like it. So anyways, guys, so let's start with number 1. My top lead generating source is Facebook advertising. Why Facebook advertising? Facebook advertising is a great way to get in front of people that you would have never been able to reach on your own. I love Facebook advertising, especially if you are one of those agents that want to work from home. You want to be a telesales agent. You don't have no problems calling your leads. Yes, you have to be able to call your leads. Unfortunately, seniors are not really there when it comes to, booking an appointment and things like that. So you do have to call your leads. Or if you decide to do Facebook advertising for Obamacare, under 65, now that group would be more likely to, schedule an appointment with you. So that is a great option as well. And I really, really, really believe that you have to be able to develop the skill of marketing for your business. You do not want to rely on anyone for your lead source. Okay, now let me go back in the beginning. Yes, I was that girl that would buy leads. I was that girl that wanted to know what was all the lead sources. I tried all these different companies and paid so much money, and money just was going down the drain, okay? Because at the end of the day, they create those leads from either Facebook and then sell it to you, and then agent number 2, agent number 4, agent number 5, and it goes on and on and on. So those leads are being recycled over and over again, even though they tell you those leads are exclusive. Of course, they're gonna tell you their leads are exclusive. They are in the business of selling leads to agents, okay? So do not purchase leads from lead vendors. Instead, learn the skill of learning how to market for yourself and how to create Facebook ads, guys. So I did a video with Shauna. I will leave that video in the description of this video. You guys can check that out. She is the expert when it comes to generating Facebook ads and leads and all of that great stuff. So check out that video. I will leave that video here, and I will leave it in the description as well. So when you're done watching this video, check it out. I highly, highly recommend her course. I'm a student of her course, and I'm glad I made that decision because now I can generate my own leads. I can decide to stop my campaign, start a new one, and all of that. I know how to generate Facebook leads. I think that is a very important skill when it comes to owning your own agency, or just being an independent agent is a great skill to have. No more purchasing leads from lead vendors. Create them yourself. You definitely want to check out her course. I do have an affiliated link, so use my link if you're going to purchase her course. So anyways, number 2, the second favorite way of generating leads, I cannot say this enough, is actually partnering with your community. Yes, that's right. You gotta be a boss in these streets, guys. Going out in the community. Yes, I love partnering with other companies, businesses, individuals. That is my go-to. So if you make a name for yourself in your community, I promise you, you will have so many leads and clients coming in and referrals and all of that good jazz. You will be forced, you will be forced like I was to hire an assistant. Yes, building partnerships out in your community is definitely a way to go. I know some of you guys may be a little shy. You gotta build that confidence. You gotta pop up those shoulders and you gotta go out there and work and get your name out there in the community. I love this lead source so much. It goes so well with my personality. It gets my name out there. It gets me talking to individuals. It's giving me that face-to-face contact that I really love. It's getting clients walking into my door. It's getting me referrals and such. So yeah, that's the second way of me generating leads. Like I said, just building relationships out there in the community and going out there and making a mark and a name for myself. So what are some examples, ideas that you can go out in your community and build a name for yourself? Go where your clients are. I say this all the time. You have to know your demographics. You have to know your clientele and go where they are. So for example, if you want to market to low-income individuals, then you need to go into the laundromats, okay? You need to go into the community doctor groups. You need to go into the 55 plus communities, apartments in the low income areas, or whatever the case may be. Know your demographics, write down the list of where your clients are and go where your clients are. Meet them halfway. Actually, don't meet them halfway. Actually, don't meet your clients halfway. Meet them there. Okay, that's my motto for 2024. I'm gonna meet you where you at, period. Alright guys, so that's number 2, building a relationship in your community. Alright guys, can you guess number 3? I think you probably could guess number 3 because I have this bubbly personality, and that is social media. Social media is my 3rd favorite way of me generating leads, okay? TikTok, YouTube, Facebook posts, and all of that jazz. I remember someone saying, oh, your friends and families don't want to see you constantly posting about your business. And I tested out that theory. Yep, I did. I tested out that theory. So I was posting Facebook Reels on my personal Facebook page. I was getting views. Everything was going well. And life happened. So I kind of was forced to test out this theory. But life happened. And my son's grandmother is my biggest fan when it comes to my Facebook Reels. She was like, I haven't seen you post. Like, what's going on? Like, what's going on? Like, I haven't seen you post. Are you not doing insurance anymore? I'm like, I am. She's like, I tell everybody about you. I tell people to look out for your Facebook. And yeah, if your family and friends are really there to support you, they may not purchase insurance from you, okay? But they will support you. They will like you. They will share the videos and things like that. And if they don't, that's okay. But I would say this, that me personally, I do not get a offense when someone is constantly posting about their business. It doesn't bother me at all. The only thing that I don't like when someone constantly posts is when they are posting their political views. That could be a little annoying. You know, I may have to block you. I may not want to see all that because I may not agree with your political views. But other than that, I love to see other people's businesses and all of that. And me too, when I don't see they post, like I have a particular person that posts a lot about her massage business. I like seeing it. I like seeing her pictures. I like seeing, you know, what she say about her clients. I like seeing her do her little massage. I like it. Like, there's nothing wrong with that. I enjoy that type of stuff. So I don't think it's a big deal to constantly post about your business. You know, add your family pictures in there, add your pets and all that stuff. You know, throw in some other stuff, but there's nothing wrong with posting about your business on your Facebook page. You can post literally all day long. And the truth is, they're not going to see all of your posts anyways. Facebook don't be Facebooking like that anyways, okay? They prefer for you to run ads on their platform. They're not over here trying to really like promote your business. So it's really not a big deal. 9 times out of 10, they're not going to see all of your posts anyways. Like I said, I definitely test out that theory, and there's nothing wrong with posting reels and posting about your business on your personal page, because it ain't that deep. Okay, it ain't that deep. So go ahead and do it, because personally for me, I've had family members, friends reach out to me. Hey, I see that you're selling insurance now. Like, I actually need help with health insurance, you know, or I recently lost my job, or my job don't offer health insurance. Can you help me? I get a lot of DMs from family members and friends asking. It may take a whole 6 months. It may take a whole year. They may be just looking, and then next thing you know, they refer me, or they need help themselves. Why not have family and friends come to you if you're offering that service? Why keep your business to yourself? If you want people to know what you do, you have to put it out there. You have to let everybody know what you do, so that way you can generate leads from people that you already know. So yeah, I love posting on social media. I love posting on YouTube. As you guys already know, I have a, you know, Life and Med channel. That's the name of my agency. So I will post on YouTube there. I will post on my TikTok as well. I will post on my personal Facebook page. I have a Life and Med Facebook page, so I'm always posting on social media. I like posting on my Google page as well. Also, if you guys would like for me to do a video on Google My Business, let me know, because I have over 100 Google reviews now. Super excited, super proud of my progress, and I get Google calls, I get referrals, all of that good stuff. By the way, speaking of Google, if I've helped you in any type of way and you would like to leave me a 5-star Google review, I'll leave my Google review link in the description of this video. Why not? Give me a Google review. So anyways, thank you so much for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget now to like, comment, share, and I'll see you, yes you friend, on the next video. Peace and love. Ciao for now. Bye.
Body talk, body talk, body talk.